In today's video, you'll learn what pizza to order. No, scratch that! Instagram story highlight covers. This is what we'll talk about today. But let's start with the intro. First of all, why should you have Instagram story highlight covers? I don't know if you noticed, but the first thing you see when you go on someone's profile is the name, bio, and then covers. Which means within the impression someone gets of a profile, you have a few seconds to capture that impression and to convert it into an actual Instagram follower. Failing that might be deadly for your Instagram account. Was that too dramatic? Maybe it was. But in this video, you will learn the most simple way to create an Instagram story highlight cover from just your phone. I won't use my computer, I won't use Photoshop, I won't use anything complicated, just a phone. Super simple things that you can just follow along the steps that I'll show you, and you could, do them right after watching this video. But first, it's kind of cold out here. I don't know if you can feel it as well, so let's get some tea. That's some nice tea right here. Okay, so how can you create an Instagram story highlight cover from your phone? I'll show you right here, as they said. So I'm on my phone right now, and the app I'm using is Canva. There's a free version that you can use to create it. It's super simple, and I'll show you step by step, as they said, on how you can do that. But first, let me remind you that if you appreciate tutorials like this, you really help me out. If you just like this video, it's absolutely free. And if you're new here, make sure you also click the subscribe button, especially if you're interested in growth tips that will help you grow your personal brand and business. Okay, so the simplest way to actually create an Instagram story highlight cover is to actually click on search over 60,000 templates and type in Instagram story highlight cover. I already have that, and you have templates that you can actually choose from or edit just a little bit, tiny bit, and you'll have your cover ready within 2 minutes or 1 minute. So if you just choose one of those, for example, let's say that you're a pastry shop, right, or you're a bakery, and you create all those wonderful sweet things that I shouldn't be eating right now, I'm trying to lose weight. And when you just click on that, you already have this beautiful image. If you just don't feel like the colors are exactly what your shop has, right, your branding colors, you can just quickly change those from here. Maybe you want a little bit darker of a setup, or you have a little bit whiter colors in your shop, you can just change that. If you don't feel, if you're like, I don't really want to use that image, what you can do is just remove that, click the plus sign, click on illustrations, and use another cake by just typing in cake and seeing what cakes they are. And obviously, because we're cheap, we're gonna use a free cake, and voila, we have the cakes we're making. This can be the first highlight cover, which can be cakes, right? The second highlight cover we can do, and let's say that our color gamma is a little bit like this, is pizza, right? So you can just click the plus sign, illustrations, pizza, and try and find a free pizza slice. Oh, there we go, great. And we want to edit it a little bit, maybe a little bit more neutral. Okay, that looks good. And then we have the pizza, right, highlight cover. And what you do is you can create stuff like this for each individual highlight cover that you have. You just click done when you're ready, click save, great design, Thanks a lot, it's automatically saved to camera roll. How can you use that image and create a highlight cover? Let me show you. Just click the plus sign, select a random story, click on next, type in the title, which would be pizza, and an emoji, adding it real quick so you have it saved. Just click edit highlight, edit cover, which is basically the image, click save, click done. Here we are. Look at that, we have a pizza highlight cover. How cool is that? So this is how you do it. It's that simple. You can literally create those in 60 seconds or less. And if you know someone that's on Instagram but doesn't have highlights, you should definitely share that video to him or her so they can up their Instagram game. And by the end of these videos, if you're really serious about growing on Instagram, after clicking the subscribe button, you should watch one of these 2 videos out right now. Watch them. Here they are. See you next one. A video a day keeps the doctor away. Bye.